In this video, I will show you how to send a message to a private account without following them. At first, unlock your phone and open the Instagram app. Make sure you are logged in into your account. Tap the search icon at the bottom of your screen. In the search bar, type the username of the person you want to message. Once you see their account in the result, tap on it. You'll now be their profile page. Even though it's private, you can still see their profile picture and bio. Now, in the top right corner, tap the three dot menu. From the option that appear, select Send Message. A chat window will open. Type your message and then tap Send. The message will be delivered to their request folder since you are not following them.